guys, it's finally time to install the TRD exhaust on the 4Runner. I wanted to do it this weekend, but that tropical storm came through and it was nothing but wind, as you guys can still see out there. Nothing but wind and rain. Did not make for a good video environment, basically. But we have it now laid out, and we're gonna go ahead and take off the stock exhaust on this thing and then just throw the new stuff up. It should be fairly simple and easy. If you guys don't have the means to do it in your garage, definitely just take it to a shop, have them throw it up on a lift and get it done. But if you could do it in your garage, I'm gonna show you guys how real quick. First things first, go ahead and assemble your tire release thing. That should be in your little cubby pouch over there. Kind of fish it around in here until you feel it catch, and then just turn it counterclockwise to lower your spare tire. That's dirty. Okay, so as you guys can see, this new exhaust system came in two pieces. If you go under your vehicle, which I've jacked up, you can see your old exhaust is in two pieces as well. So what we're gonna undo is this guy right here, and that one. This is your line that goes to your Cadillac converter, because it's a cat back system. So basically everything from here back we are undoing. And then coming to the back of the vehicle, we're gonna wanna take this shield off to help snake this pipe all the way through. And then there's two more bolts behind here that connect it to the actual muffler portion as well. So just take essentially there's 4 bolts plus these, and then all the little rubber grommets and stuff that hold it on. So these right here are 14mm bolts. And they are snug. Now, if your 4Runner is a lot more greasy, or not greasy, if your 4Runner is more rusted or mud caked on here, then definitely get some spray to spray on this to help lubricate it to break those bolts. Now I'm gonna take off this heat shield thing. It's a 12mm socket. All right, and then the last 2 bolts that we need to get are right there in front. It's basically right behind your axle right here. If you follow the pipe down, this is the portion that we're gonna have to fish out of here. So if you just follow this down to right there, you got 2 more 14mm bolts that you need to take out. Muffler is now off. You can see the muffler right there, and the cat by itself right there. Make sure that all of your rubber little grommets are off. I just took it off with the flathead. Woo! Just took it off with a flathead screwdriver, and now you're just gonna fish this pipe out of here. Okay, and I said I wasn't gonna do this in my mind, but I'm gonna do it. Cat only. And it's out. And look how filthy this thing is after only 3 years of use. So we're gonna transfer all these hangers like this, all of these from this one essentially to this. This dude comes with its own hardware and everything like that we're gonna use. And then it also comes with this little gasket that was in that hardware. This will end up going right here on the muffler portion. As you can see, this dude right here, and wow, that's pretty crazy. You know what, let's actually see the weight difference of these real quick. All right, so the stock one's on, and it weighs 29.8 pounds. And then the TRD is 26 pounds. So barely any savings. I mean, you're only talking 3 pounds. However, when you put them side by side, you notice that this one obviously is a lot skinnier. They're about the same height looking at them, but where you're gonna get your performance, and Toyota claims, right, that you're gonna get mostly low-end performance and torque out of this. You know, you're not gonna scream horsepower up. But as you can see, come in from your cat right here. This was only one pipe going through all these emissions crap and then out to your tailpipe. This one's coming in, splits off from the Cadillac converter, comes through here. So you're definitely gonna have a lot more flow through this, as you could tell, unless it, you know, just comes in right there. I mean, it'd be cool to cut this open, but I'm not gonna do that. But it's gonna come in through here, have more flow through, and then it's capped off right here, however, and then it's gonna go straight to your tailpipe. So definitely a lot more airflow coming through this new TRD system. This bag of hardware is essentially just for the end piece that goes to the tailpipe right there, because instead of this one, the stock that has 2, you're gonna have 3 going to the tailpipe, and like I said, this gasket goes right in here, and then you're just gonna reuse those 2 stock spring bolts for that one right there going into the cap. So now guys, I'm gonna get it installed. Essentially, it is the exact same way you took it off, but in reverse order. So I'm just gonna line this up right here to the cat, tighten it down just ever so slightly, fish this new one through, and then show you guys just essentially the end product. All right guys, and it is fully installed and it looks so good. Now the hardest part by far is these 3 right here, and with that, taking those out as well were really hard. So those dudes right there are the hardest part. I just put the bolts up top. There was no torque specs or any instructions. Didn't even come with an instruction manual, so just elbow tight. That's what I did it. That's what, you know, works on aircraft, so that's what I did that. Just kidding guys, I actually torque aircraft. But and then those spring dudes right there, I just basically put them in until they were done spinning, and then just put a tight little, you know, oomph on it just a little bit, and it was good. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I like that. Nice and low. So guys, there you have it. That is the install of the TRD exhaust system on a 2018 4Runner. So you guys do not have to have the 2020 TRD Pros. If you go to your dealership and they say, oh, you have to have a VIN, I will leave a link down in the description. I use BAM's wholesale parts. You can find these on eBay. You can find them anywhere, but to my doorstep, it was $630 shipped. So if your dealership's cheaper and they're willing to, you know, sell you it, if you have a 2017, 18, whatever the heck you have, definitely go that route. But I will leave the link down in the description for you guys if you want to pick this up. I'm gonna have a ton more videos, don't worry, in the future about drone, because obviously I'm not gonna have it like within a first drive for you guys. But I'll have videos about drone, throttle response, why I picked it, if I like the side exit, all that stuff I will have in future videos for you guys. So if you all are new around here, please consider subscribing. Those returning viewers, guys, as always, I freaking appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support, and I will catch you all in the next video. All right, see you guys later.